Hello everyone. Are you ready for an exciting story? Today we have a heartwarming tale called The Lost Wallet. This story is all about kindness, honesty, and doing the right thing. As you listen, pay close attention to the words and phrases. This will help you improve your English while enjoying a great story. So sit back, relax, and let's begin. The Lost Wallet. One afternoon, Emma was walking home from the grocery store when she noticed something lying on the sidewalk. It was a black leather wallet. She picked it up and looked around, but there was no one nearby. Curious, she opened the wallet and found several credit cards, a driver's license, and some cash. The name on the license read, David Carter. Emma knew she had to return the wallet. But how? There was no phone number inside. She decided to go to a nearby cafe and ask if anyone had lost a wallet. As she entered the cafe, she approached the cashier. "Excuse me, has anyone reported a lost wallet?" The cashier shook his head. "Not that I know of." Emma thought for a moment. Then she had an idea. She checked a small receipt inside the wallet and saw that it was from a bookstore just 2 blocks away. Maybe the owner had been there recently. She hurried to the bookstore and showed the wallet to the cashier. "Do you recognize this name? I found this wallet on the street." The cashier smiled. "Yes, Mr. Carter was here earlier. He's a regular customer. Let me call him for you." Within minutes, a tall man in a blue jacket entered the store. He looked worried. "I'm David Carter. Did someone find my wallet?" Emma stepped forward and handed it to him. "Yes, I found it on the sidewalk. I'm glad I could return it to you." David sighed in relief. "Thank you so much. I didn't even realize I had dropped it." He opened the wallet and checked. Everything was still inside. "You're very honest. Please let me buy you a cup of coffee as a thank you." Emma smiled and shook her head. "That's kind of you, but no need. Just happy to help." David insisted, and they ended up chatting over coffee. Emma felt good knowing she had done the right thing. Moral of the story: a simple act of kindness can make someone's day. Honesty always brings good things in return.